Big day in crypto today. It's all about this man. There's a few very important things we need to talk about in this video, in addition to the FOMC rate cut, potentially, decision at 2 p.m. Eastern time today. Now, what we're currently seeing in terms of the markets, there's only a 3% chance we'll see a rate cut today. But if you go into the next FOMC meeting, there is actually a 31% chance we're going to start seeing rate cuts. And the further down the curve you go, for example, if you go into July, you then start seeing a majority vote for rate cuts. So today, it's all important of the rhetoric of what Jerome Powell says in terms of the economy, in terms of inflation. We want to see rate cuts. Of course, liquidity helps markets. So in this video, we have an action-packed update on Ethereum. Some very key important news we're going to talk about, but also we're going to need to talk about the charts and what's going on with Ethereum right now. So smash the like button, guys, have the bell turned on for future videos, and let's talk about it. So in addition to the main volatility of today, FOMC, we saw Ethereum's upgrade, a Pectra upgrade. This is huge news because what it means for Ethereum, it's actually the biggest upgrade since the merge of 2022. For anyone wondering what's actually changing, well, it's, as I said, it's being called the most significant Ethereum update since the merge. It will introduce enhancements across staking wallet functionality, and that upgrade has gone live. It's happened. And also, I think it's important to note before we get into the charts, by the way, we are seeing a breakout unfold in a minute. We need to talk about that. It's important that we actually understand that Ethereum is leading the inflows on DEX volume right now. So it's beating Solana, it's beating Sway, it's beating Base, it's beating Arbitrum. That's very, very promising. And actually, you can see the inflows into wallet accumulation has been gaining huge traction over the last few months for Ethereum. Whilst the price hasn't been doing much, we are seeing wallet accumulation and on-chain metrics supporting this. So right now, on the lower time frame, this is an 8-hour chart for Ethereum. You can see that Ethereum, we've been in this range for the last 2 weeks? So since, you could say, 23rd of April. So yeah, I mean, the last 2 weeks, we've been in this range bound between the $1,750 support level, resistance at $1,855. So in terms of a percentage, it's only a 5.5% window. So we've just been consolidating, doing nothing. But we are looking like we're going to have a huge breakout, because if you skip to the 12-hour chart, you can see that Ethereum is coiling up for a huge move. And of course, what this man says is going to rock markets in a big way. But if we look at the technicals here, we can see a measured move in play. If I sneeze during this stream, guys, apologies, I've got a bit of a cold going on. But this is actually a 35% move. And this move, if we do break to the upside, which I believe we will, let me know in the comments if we did and if we will, I'm expecting maybe not get quite to this 2,350 level, because there's some major resistance I'm going to show you, but certainly to that $2,150 level. This is a daily chart. And by the way, I will quickly remind you, before I talk about my price targets, you only have 1 day remaining, guys, to claim the 20% cashback on FEMX. So how it works is you sign up with an account, it's no KYC, and you'll get up to $500 with a 20% cashback reward. So link in the description below. It's a great trading platform. It's where I'm doing my trading. You can see I've got an Ethereum long trade open right now. Currently half an Ethereum in profit, about $770. I'm actually trading coin margin, which I believe is the right trade to do right now, because your profits are actually in Ethereum. It's not a USDT trade, it's an Ethereum margin trade. But yeah, last day remaining to basically get 20% cashback, free crypto. So if you deposit $2,000, you get 400, 2,500, you get $500. If you just want to deposit $100, you get $20 for free. So last day for that, guys. So be quick. Moving on. with what I was saying. So we got this huge breakout, we got this huge target, and this is the chart I wanted to show you. It's the daily chart here, guys. The daily chart right now for Ethereum is looking incredibly bullish. You can see we've got this breakout. It's clear, it's evident, and we are testing the current support level of $1,770. You can see that this breakout is in action. We've had resistance about 2,000, 2,100, and then you get up to that $2,350 level. That's why I'm long. That's why I'm not looking to take any profits off the table on this trade right now. And I wanted to show you this chart as well, because this actually shows us when the relative strength index is extremely oversold, just like it was in August 2024. Look what happened to the Ethereum price. It got a rally, just like it was in September, October of 2023. We got a huge rally, and I believe the same is going to happen now. We have some beautiful weekly reversal candles in action, and to me it looks very, very bullish. In fact, in the free Telegram group earlier, I put an interesting chart that I think you'll find very interesting, that shows that we are in for a big reversal. When I'm not posting on YouTube, I do post in my Telegram signals group. You can check that out with the link down below, guys. It's free to enter, and you join the rest of the community there, so join us. And the last few charts I just want to show you, monthly chart for Ethereum is looking so bullish. We're supported on the monthly support level of 1,800. We have another monthly support at $1,642. My current stop loss level, although you can't see it here, I haven't said it, but the stop loss level I have in my head, if we get anywhere near, is about $1,250. So I'm long. I'm 4x leverage, which means if I have $1,000, I can actually access $4,000. So instead of it going up $100 in profit, I get $400 in profit for every $100 I trade. That's the power of using margin. Very, very important. So last day remaining to get free crypto, 20% back. Link in the description down below. And also you can see Ethereum, Bitcoin is actually at a major support level. If we do get a bounce off this support level, it's looking very, very bullish for altcoin season in general. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm bullish, and I suggest to check out any one of these videos before you go. Thank you. See you on the next one. Bye bye.